I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Yeah, it's a bright day. We're just testing these subs, the Wolfram subs out. Been had for a while, just to see they're working and everything. So, we can go back in here and show y'all a few of the clips that we got of them being tested. In case y'all want to just see something, it ain't much, but just something to see. If that's what you want to see, be sure to stay tuned to the video. It ain't nothing special, but y'all want to see. You get it started. You got the volume on? Give it a little bit more, just a little bit. Hey guys, the reason we went ahead and did a test on these, I tested each coil, then we wired them down, each sub down to half ohm individually on the amp, then we ran them all down to 1 ohm connected to see, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know, something happened, I don't know, somebody did something to the truck or whatever they did back when he had these in here in another enclosure, and what happened was they was cutting in and out. Then I actually took the sub out and tested it, and I kind of seen what he was talking about. I don't know what it was, but for some reason it's not doing it now. And I got them to heat the subs up to see if it would do it again, but there very well could have been something else, right? You know, very well could have been something else. I'm not really for sure, but they turned out pretty good. And the whole time he's been had these put in the storage, and guess they turned out to be okay. So you know, appreciate y'all. Excuse me. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. As y'all can see right here, the Wolfram AU-18s. I know Wolfram is coming back. I'm not really for sure how everything will go once they get back. Yeah, hopefully it'll be pretty good. I hope any company can be successful or whatnot, or whatever's going on. I'm not really for sure. But hopefully, you know, they'll be able to make a good comeback. Because these subs were pretty good. I originally owned these. These were my first set of subs right here. And the AU-18s, then ended up with them. And yeah, he used them for like a couple of months, and then he ended up switching everything up and buying another enclosure and getting more subs, different subs and whatnot. But yeah, I think he's getting rid of these subs. They may be for sale. So if you're looking for some, you know, you really can't buy AU-18s right now at the moment, because Wolfram, you know, doesn't really, you know, I guess they're not having any stock on it, don't have any stock or anything like this. So be sure to hit them up, hit them, DM me, and we can make it happen some kind of way. Like and subscribe. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.